Oops. Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ariela, and in today's video we're gonna do Maleficent makeup look from Sleeping Beauty. And if you want to know how I did this look, just keep watching. Let's do the thing. I'm super excited. Today I'm gonna use my Cremas palette, my water-based palette, and I'm gonna use as my base this green shade right here. It is water activated. So it was probably not the best idea to wear white. Okay. Oh wow, this looks funny. Now let me take the white and now I'm gonna highlight underneath my eyes and on my forehead, my chin. To set my foundation, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty powder in the color Sugar Cookie. It's just a plain white one, and I'm gonna use a big brush for it. I like Huda Beauty products, but the smell is so strong. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna use the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette, and I'm gonna use this green shade right here. It's called Nate, and with a blending brush I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks to do the contour. Okay, my highlight is done. Now let's continue with the eyes. I'm gonna grab a violet shade from my Grimace palette, and I'm gonna apply it to my eye. And then I'm gonna take a small brush and apply the green to the area. Now I'm gonna take a black eyeliner. This one is from Yves Saint Laurent. This is the Shocking eyeliner, and I am going to draw eyebrows. And now with the black, I'm gonna do a nice line when I can open it. And let's do the other eye. Alright, my eyebrows are done. So let's do our lashes. Today I'm gonna use my mascara from Chanel. This is, what's the name? Le Volume Révolution de Chanel in the shade, in the number 10. This is one of my favorite mascaras ever. I'm gonna take the palette from Jeffree Star and go inside this shade right here. It's called Vivid Mood. I should have had done this before I applied my mascara. in my inner corner, I'm gonna apply this shade right here. It's just a nice glittery pinky shade. Now I'm gonna apply my eyelashes and be right back. Okay, my lashes are on. Now our last step is our lips. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty lip liner in the shade Heartbreaker and outline my lips. Okay, now let's apply our lipstick. I'm gonna use today the Revlon Color Stay Overtime lipstick in the shade Forever Scarlet. And this lipstick is literally staying on your lips for at least 16 hours. I can drink with it, I can eat with it. It only removes with Chanel makeup remover. I don't know why. I tried all of the makeup removers from Clinique one, from some drugstore ones. Nothing's taking it off. Even coconut oil or olive oil, I tried it. It was staying on my lips. And I remember I ran out of my Chanel makeup remover and I was walking literally 2 days with red lips until I finally bought my makeup remover. Okay, now let me outline the lips with black eyeliner. But only slightly, I just want to give it a shade. Alright guys, so and this is our finished look. This is my version of Maleficent makeup. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. Let me know in the comments below which villain you want to see next. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.